Benefits of Astragalus and source. Benefits: acts as an anti-inflammatory, boosts the immune system, protects the cardiovascular system, regulates and prevents diabetes and illnesses related to diabetes, contains antioxidative and anti-aging capabilities, aids in wound healing and minimizes scarring, alleviates symptoms of chemotherapy, treats colds and flu, provides supplemental therapy for chronic asthma. Nature's Way Astragalus Root Review. Description: Premium Herbal, Non-GMO Project Verified, Vegetarian Capsules, 470 milligrams. Dietary Supplement, Certified Authentic Tru-ID, Gluten-free, Vegetarian. Suggested use: take 3 capsules twice daily. Other ingredients: plant-derived capsule, modified cellulose, no sugar, salt, yeast, wheat, corn, soy, dairy products, artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. Warnings: if pregnant, nursing or taking any medications, consult a healthcare professional before use. Keep out of the reach of children. Safety sealed with printed outer shrink wrap and inner seal. Do not use if either is broken or missing. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.